In this video, I will show you how to connect Tradingview to Bitget. So the first step is to simply go to Tradingview, and then you're gonna have to simply open a super chart, and then after that we're gonna have to simply click on trading panel at the bottom, and then here we're gonna have the list of all brokers. So we're gonna have to simply scroll down until we see Bitget, and if you can see it right here, you can simply click on all brokers, and as you can see, it's down here. Now what we're gonna have to do next is simply enter the API key and then the passphrase and simply click on connect, and basically that's all you have to do in order to connect Tradingview to Bitget. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.